What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I'm just going to run through everything that I've done so far since the last recording, and I will give you full transparency on some assignments for my options trading that I've just been assigned on Friday, and a stock that I bought 198 shares of because it was a great deal. So let's get into it, and I'll start off with going over my overall portfolio update. So as you can see, I've invested $3,625 total at a really good spike, big old bull run here, and then it started to really go downhill. And lowest of the low, it was down $137, so 3.8%, which is, it is what it is. 3 months, I'm down 1.3%. 1 month, down 1.6%. The last week, it went up pretty substantially, nearly 4%, and the last day, I don't even know what that is. That is all over the place. So right, here we go. I'll jump into my history quickly, and we can all have a look at what happened. So I have a dividend coming in from Armour Residential for $2.80. They pay 8 cents a share every month. I'm not going to be investing any more money into these guys, and I will sell them when I can. But not for a loss. I have my options trading. So I started this portfolio heavily investing into dividend stocks, and I decided to give it a go on some wheel strategy, which is basically, I started off by having enough cash to put down a cash secured put for 100 shares of clean energy here. And I was paid $20 in premium for that. I was then assigned those 100 shares for $5 a share, which I will go into more detail shortly. Now the stock I ended up buying 198 shares of is Cook, which is Traeger grills, and I bought them. Well, I spotted that they were really, really low around this price here on Thursday evening, and I jumped in and bought them. I wish I just bought them there and then, but I ended up getting in around my average price is $3.46, and with the 198 shares I have 100 shares of this going in for a covered call, and where can we find it down here? Cover call. So I got a cover call going for $4. So if this gets assigned, I'm going to bring in around $55 of capital gains. And I also put down that I put down a bid and ask for 25 cents a share. So I was paid $25 outright to put my shares up for this options trade. Now, ultimately, if it doesn't hit $4, then I keep my 100 shares and I keep the premium, which I keep the premium anyway. But if it does go over $4, I then have to sell these shares for $4, basically bringing in my trade of around $80 for this contract. Now it cost me, so I put up 100 shares and they were $3.46 a piece, so $346, and I should be receiving around $80 in capital gains and premium. So we're doing 80 divided by 364 times 100. So there we go. I should bring in on this trade, if it does hit, around 22% profit. Now, that's not bad. I will take that. But again, if it doesn't hit $4, then I will just carry on rolling this or carry on doing cover calls on it. So my portfolio currently looks like this. My stocks really haven't changed other than my options, but Jeppy's coming in around 24.5 shares, SCHD 7.5 shares. Google, these tech stocks in my portfolio have gone through the roof. Google for me is up nearly 11%. Armour Residential, I hate that stock, and I'm going to get rid of it ASAP. Tesla, I only put $100 in, but God, as soon as I make money on this, and it goes back up, I'm getting rid of it. It's too volatile. I don't really have any reason to own Tesla. I thought I could flip it quickly, but that's not the case. Amazon up 16%. Microsoft 0. I think it's probably because I just have about $10 in it from referrals. If you're interested in using Robinhood as a platform, I'll put a referral link down so you get yourself a free share. I'll get myself a free share. My clean energy position is currently down 13%, and my Traeger grill position is up 4%. Now, because my clean energy fuels position was assigned yesterday for an average cost of $5, theoretically it's $4.80 because of the $20 premium I received. On Monday, hopefully the market will be in the green for clean energy fuels, and I will run a covered call on them. So if I decide to run one now for $5, I can get $16 of premium. So taking into account the $20 of premium I already had received for putting up my cash as collateral, I can rake in $36 for my $500 collateral there. So $36 divided by, I had about $500 of collateral. So I can rake in 7.2% on that trade if it does get assigned, and if it doesn't, then I will just carry on rolling my position and keep selling covered calls until it does get assigned. So that's how I'm looking at it now. Dividend investment for me when I started really was what I was going to focus 100% on, until I started to realize the amount I could make from premiums, selling cash secured puts and covered calls, which is also basically the wheel strategy. I can make a lot more money doing it this way than I would if I was to rake in dividends. So that's what I'm going to focus on. I'm going to try and remove every other stock in my portfolio other than the ones I'm trading, options. And I'm going to maintain JEPI and SCHD in my portfolio because really they are, in my opinion, the two ETFs, dividend ETFs that I want to keep, And I was stung pretty early on. I had Intel, which I got rid of. I sold that for a 16% gain. And that's what I used to buy some Traeger stock. And I was like, 16%, I'm going to take it. They slashed their dividend. I bought them for the dividend. And when I saw it in the green at 16%, I thought, do you know what? Let's get rid of it. So there we go. There's my portfolio. There's my current options trades that are going on, and I will make a video on Monday, I think, once the market's open, and depending on if we're in the green. If we're in the green on clean energy fuels, I should be able to get more money for a covered call here. And yeah, I mean, I could stretch it all the way out to say June and get $39 worth of premium for that. So yeah, we'll see. And I will keep you all updated, and I'll put a video of that up on Monday when I decide what to do. So if you like the content, if you're interested in making money on the stock market, I'm not a financial advisor, but you can see what I do that works and what doesn't work. So give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.